What up, YouTube? It is now week 2 of my new 3-day split where I do full body on Monday, shoulder and arms on Wednesday, and then full body again on Friday. I'm excited about today because now we have the numbers from last week, and the goal for this week is just to beat last week's version of myself. And so as long as I can do either an extra rep or a little bit more weight, this week will be considered a success. I made sure to eat plenty of food before this workout as well. I wanted to have plenty of energy. I did not want to go into this workout feeling weak or feeling like I didn't have the energy to move the weights. So one thing I've been doing recently is making sure the day before and the day of the workout to eat plenty. And it's on those rest days where I might dial back the calories because I'm not as active. I might still go for a walk, but it's just not the same amount of calories as when I go to the gym, which is usually around 400 to 500 calories I burn when I go and work out. But I am super excited about today. Let's get it. Last time I did hack squats, I did 245s and a 25 for 14. So I think I'm gonna at least put an extra 10 pounds on each side. So an extra 20 pounds since I went up to 14 reps. I'll do one warm-up set though, with just the 45s before my working set. Just to get everything nice and warm and my form right. All right. Feels good. I don't want to waste any energy. So 20 extra pounds. We'll see how many reps I can knock out. I might guess at least 6 to 8 if I did 14 with the previous weight. Also got to point out, last time I did this, I was sore 3 to 4 days on quads just from that one set, which is pretty wild. Hamstrings are still a little tight from Friday's workout, but I think as I get in the routine of doing this new split, a lot of that will go away as my body adapts. All right, so before this set, I'm gonna get plenty of deep breaths through the nose. All right, here we go. Let's see how we do. Two, 3, 4, 8. 8. 12. I'm good with that. Oh. Oh. Woo. Yeah, I'm gonna take a good break between that. Last time I did this was 8 reps for 200. So we just gotta beat 8. That is the goal. Beat 8 reps. I'm going to say, no, I ain't going to count that last one. Last time I did 245 for 9 reps. So we got to beat that. I still can't believe how those hack squats have my legs so shaky right now, which means I'm very low on glucose. I even made sure to eat more carbs today too. Apparently not enough. All right. We go. Heart rate's through the roof. Based on last week, I did 15 reps, 310. I'm gonna keep it on 310 and just try to do more reps than 15. Feet are slipping. These shoes are slippery. I need to buy some new shoes. All right, so we're at 10. We need at least 10 more. All right, 20 reps. I'll take it. Workout complete. We set PRs on each one, even if it was 1 rep. You did more than last time. As long as you're doing more than last time, that's how you know you're getting better, you're getting stronger. One little note I'm gonna make though is after those hack squats, my legs are shot. It's like Bambi on ice. My blood sugar is very low. So I almost need to bring some kind of snack, maybe even a smoothie, a banana for right after those hack squats. So I have another spurt of energy to finish the workout, because right now I am like, whew, it was close, but we did it. With that said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.